Hey everyone, welcome back to our marketing research series. We are on episode 18 now. If you're loving our content, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Today, we're diving into the world of inferential statistics. Ever wanted to make a solid prediction about an entire group based on just a small sample? That's what inferential stats are for. We'll touch on fascinating topics like hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. Ready to unpack it all? Picture this. You've got a small scoop of ice cream, and from that, you want to predict the flavor of the entire tub. That's sort of what inferential statistics does. It's about taking what we know, a small sample, and making educated guesses about the bigger picture. This involves things like hypothesis testing, estimating ranges where our actual answers might lie, and using various tests to back our decision. Let's dive into hypothesis testing. It's a bit like a detective's journey. First, we start with a claim and initial theory, or what we call the null hypothesis. Then there's an alternative, the theory we're really trying to prove. We choose our risk level, or the significance level, crunch some numbers to get a test statistic, and then the p-value. It's the plot twist. It tells us how surprising our results are. At the end, we make a decision. Do we stick with our initial theory, or do we side with the alternative? Next up, confidence intervals. Imagine you're guessing the weight of a pumpkin. You make your best guess, but admit it could be a little more or a little less than that. That's kind of like a confidence interval. We get our best guess, account for a little wiggle room, that's our margin of error, and voila, we have a range we're pretty confident in. And of course, we've got a whole toolkit of tests tailored for different situations. Need to compare how two products are doing? There's a test for that, the t-test. What about checking out trends across multiple marketing channels? ANOVA has our back. And for those who love diving into categories, chi-square tests help us understand patterns. And then for the romantics out there, correlation and regression let us explore relationships between variables. And that, dear viewers, is the wonder of inferential statistics. These tools let us peek into the future, drawing big insights from small samples. Coming up, we'll chat about making your data sing, presenting it in a way that everyone gets, and if you found today's episode insightful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and don't miss out by forgetting to tap that notification bell. Until next time.